Welcome back to Design Guy. Ready to learn how to turn any photo into a cool silhouette in Canva? Click Create, then select Custom Size. Enter 100 pixels for both width and height to set your canvas for this tutorial. Next, go to Elements and search for an image by typing men or female. Select a photo from the results. In this example, choose a chest photo to use in your project. This will help customize your design with the appropriate image. Select this option to continue. Click the BG remover to eliminate the background. Next, click Add Background to insert a new background image or color behind your subject in the editor. Add a direct background, then click the Edit button to modify its settings and customize the appearance according to your preferences in the design workspace. Click Edit, then select Filters. Scroll through and choose the two-tone filter. Apply it by tapping the filter name, adjusting the intensity as desired. This filter enhances your image with a stylish two-tone effect. Confirm your changes to save the edited image with the new filter applied. Continue editing or save your work. Select the highlights and change their color to black. Now both highlights are black. Next, try removing the background to enhance your design's appearance. This helps create a cleaner, more focused image with improved visual impact. Change the merge color to white to update the image. To add an outline, click Edit, then select the outline option. Adjust settings as needed to enhance your image's appearance and finalize your design. Select the shape, open the outline menu, and change the outline color to white. This adjusts the border for better visibility against darker backgrounds or design elements. Change the chrome black setting to black, then proceed to add the desired elements to your project. Enter the desired text into the input field, then click the Submit button to save your changes and update the document accordingly. Search for elements using the search bar at the top of the interface. Type a keyword to find specific items quickly. Use filters to narrow results by category or attributes. Click on an element to view its details or add it to your project. This helps you efficiently locate and manage necessary components within your workspace. Add this element here, then change its color to white. This ensures it stands out clearly against the background. Adjust its size and position as needed to fit the overall design. Finally, review the changes to confirm the element displays correctly. Change the background color to white. Next, adjust the element's position on the canvas to achieve the desired layout. Use alignment tools if needed for precision. Confirm the changes to apply the new background and element placement before proceeding to the next step in your project. Click Edit, then select the glow effect. Adjust the settings as needed to enhance your image. Apply the changes to see the glowing effect on your design. To change the color to blue, first select the object you want to modify. Then, locate the color palette or fill option in the toolbar. Click on the blue color swatch to apply it to your selected object. After applying the blue color, review your design to confirm it matches your vision. This completes the final look. Save your project to preserve these changes. This simple step allows you to customize your design colors effectively and finalize your work with the desired blue hue. After completing the previous step, verify that the item appears here on the screen before proceeding to the next action. This ensures everything is properly set up and ready for the following instructions in the workflow. Download the quiz file in the highest quality by selecting the appropriate size before saving it. Now you know how to create cool silhouette effects in Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.